In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type xbar and p-hat in PowerPoint. These symbols are crucial for those of you dealing with statistics or any mathematical data in your presentations. Let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you can effortlessly incorporate these symbols into your slides. First things first, let's get started by opening PowerPoint on your computer. Make sure you're running a version that supports the equation editor feature, as that will be key today. Next, navigate to the specific PowerPoint presentation where you need to include these mathematical symbols. If you haven't started on your presentation yet, you might want to create a new one or open an existing file that you're working on. Once you're inside your presentation, look towards the top of the screen and find the Insert tab on the ribbon. It's usually located between the Home tab and the Draw tab. Clicking this will open a variety of options for adding content to your slides. Now on the Insert tab, you're going to want to locate the Equation option. Depending on your version of PowerPoint, this could be towards the right end of the toolbar. Clicking Equation will bring a new drop-down menu with various equation tools at your disposal. Choose the Insert New Equation from this menu. Doing this will open an equation input box on your slide, usually accompanied by a new set of tools designed specifically for entering mathematical notation. This environment allows for more complex mathematical expressions than the standard text boxes. With the equation box active, it's time to draw the symbols. This part is fairly flexible, allowing you to input both text-based and hand-drawn symbols. For the X bar, you want to type the letter X, and then use the bar notation available in the tools to place the horizontal line on top. Many versions have an option called accent or overline specifically for such purposes. Similarly, for the p-hat, type the letter P, and then use the hat symbol that, like the bar, is found in the accent tools to place a small neat hat above it. Voila! You now have the X bar and p-hat symbols directly in your PowerPoint presentation. This process not only maintains clarity in your slides, but also utilizes the built-in features of PowerPoint to ensure your mathematical notations remain consistent and professional. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to inserting X bar and p-hat symbols into your PowerPoint presentations. Whether for educational purposes, business analytics, or personal projects, these steps will help you communicate your statistical data effectively. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more tips on enhancing your presentation skills.